Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to help the shy kid on your first Lego League team. Now, I firmly believe that we shouldn't just go, well, you're not outgoing, you're not, extroverted. Sorry, you're not on the team. I just feel like they have so much to offer, and I've had introverts and shy kids on my first Lego League team because I feel like they have so much to offer. And also, coaches, they can blossom and evolve into this kid once they get their confidence that can be the one that's outspoken, that wants to, deliver information and things like that. So I firmly believe we shouldn't just give up on the kid and go, sorry, come back when you are extroverted and when you want to talk. There are ways we can have them on the first Lego League team and have them thrive. So here we go. Reason number 1, or what we can do to help them, is if you're doing like a presentation to, demonstrate your innovative project, why not do a mime skit where the child has to, act something out, but not necessarily say something. I've had a lot of students on my teams before, and they were just like, I don't want to speak out loud. I don't want to be an actor or actress and, do lines and things like that. And you don't have to do that. One year, we had a very shy student, and so I said, hey, what do you think about doing a mime presentation? And, like always, you just let the ball roll to them and see what they want to do. And the team absolutely loved it. They're like, yeah, they were into acting out things instead of learning lines. Because a lot of times your students might not memorize speaking words, but they'll remember action things, like first this happens. And then, you can make it even funny for the judges to watch. And the kids could definitely get into that more possibly than speaking parts. And so I've seen students thrive when they're able to act without having to talk. And so for your shy kid, they might go, no way, I can be a part of a presentation and not have to say anything. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, hey, Miss Gino, there's no way that, the kid can make it through the entire first Lego League competition without saying anything. And you're right, that's not the goal. Hopefully in my next one that we'll able to then bring a little bit out of them. So in number 2, let's go straight to how do we get this person to develop? And I would say baby steps. Definitely don't ease up on the practice. You might bring in an adult, you might bring in a fellow teacher and say, hey, we'd like to do a presentation and see how, this person or the team develops and, gets together. And so you can have that shy kid say, we're going to give you 1 or 2 things to say. We want you to practice and gain that confidence, and definitely have that shy student be like their thing. What is going to be their thing? A lot of times it might be the robot building. A lot of times it could be the coding. They're real good at something technical, but it's hard for them to speak out loud. So have them be in charge of one thing and say, when it's your turn, Bobby, Susie, whoever you are, we want you to shout out to the judges what you did to help our team. So that way they own that. You're like, hey, that's my part. I get to talk about the code. Hey, I get to talk about the attachments, whatever it is. Have them own something specific. Now, yes, like every team member, they should be understanding all of it. But when it comes to speaking, have something be their part. And the third thing I would say is to help them, that shy person, is to have them gain that confidence in smaller settings where it's not pressure. Like, you got 2 or 3 judges, looking at you. Have them practice where it might just be your team. And then start to branch out like we always do with things, roll out slowly. Hey, we want you to present just in front of the team. Then we want you to present in front of 2 or 3 teachers until eventually when you get to competition day, they can feel all of that confidence that has been building up inside of them all along the way, until that person hopefully has come out of their shell when they realize how fun it is, how big, how of an expert they're becoming at it. And when they just feel like, hey, I belong, this is my family, I can start to, put aside some of those shy tendencies. Because I'm going to let you guys know a big secret. I was that kid. And you might be going, no way, Mr. Hino, are you kidding? When I was in middle school, 6th grade, 5th grade, I was not the one to just, hey, everybody, this is what I think. I'd be the one. In fact, to this day, I'll probably be the one in a meeting or a group of people that just likes to sit back and listen and soak everything in. And I don't know, I just kind of have that personality where I like to sit back, kind of soak everybody in, and then if, say something if it comes to my mind. But I'm not the first person to kind of, jump out and say something. And so that's why I'm definitely in with the shy people. I want them to thrive and get an opportunity to show what you have, because we know it's in there. It's just a matter of pulling it out, okay? So coaches, teams, see if you can start to encourage that shy person to come on out and you're like, hey, you can do this. You can be a part of our team, okay? Hopefully that was helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. I am Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.